Here, I want you to look at the picture and choose the right answer. Let's start with number 1. Okay, there's a bee on the flower. 2. There's a bee in the flower. It's on. Alright. Let's see if you're correct. Okay, next, how about number 2?
It's a bird
Oh, no, let's try to see if you're correct. Whoa!
Wow, you got it!
You got the right answer for that. Give me a high five. Yeah. Okay, can you read again for me, please?
There's a bee on the flower.
That's correct.
There's on the wall.
Whoa, very good. That's good.
Good reading!
Thank you, Lucas. Okay, so how about this one, honey? Okay, on the next part. Okay, the next part. Okay, choose the correct sentence. Look at the picture, right? Yes. Yes. Okay, now let's try to see if you are correct.
Wow, you got it!
You got the right answer again. Give me a high five. Yeah. Okay, so now, honey, I want you to read the right answer.
Love in the pond. There's a flag on the love.
Okay, very good. Can you just say again one more time? Leaf. Yes. Okay, honey, there's a leaf in the pond.
There's a leaf in the pond.
Yes, 2. Frog.
There's a flag on the leaf.
Good reading!
That's good reading for you again. Yes, I'm very happy. Okay, that's great. So how about another one here? So this time, we are going to listen, then you are going to read again. Okay. Okay, we're gonna listen to it, alright?